Hallo Leute, willkommen zurück auf meinem Kanal. Guten Tag! So, from Berlin Airport, Germany, kumain po muna kami. Before kami sumakay sa eroplano ng Finnair. Ayan po. So, going to Finland, welcome to Helsinki. Ayan po, nakarating na po kami ng Helsinki, Finland. And then, naglibot-libot po kami saglit sa Helsinki. Ayan po, the Lutheran Cathedral in Helsinki, Finland. Sikat daw po yung cathedral na yan. And then, pumunta po kami sa isang library. Sikat din daw po ito sa buong Europe, sa Helsinki, ang OD, Helsinki Central Library. Ano bang basa dyan? OOD? OOD? Ayan. Correct me po if I'm wrong. Ayan po. And sikat daw po itong library na ito from mapabata man or mapamatanda. Pinupuntahan daw po ito ng mga taga Helsinki. Ayan po. Tignan nyo po. Ang daming libro at napakalaki po na library. Ayan. Pwede ka nang magbasa-basa dito, pwede ka rin pong gumawa ng mga research mo. Ayan po, ang dami-dami pong libro na pagpipilian at napakalaki. At napansin ko po na ang dami pong bata na nahihilig pong magbasa ng libro dito sa Helsinki. At ito po yung hagdanan, spiral. Sinama ko na po sa video. Ang ganda po kasi. Ayan, before po kami kumain, pumunta muna kami sa library. And then, ito po ang Teppanyaki restaurant, buffet restaurant po. So, nag-decide na po kaming magkakaibigan na dito kumain at nag-decide na rin po ako na i-video or i-review ang restaurant na ito. Ito po kasing unang restaurant na nakainan ko dito sa Helsinki. Ayan po. Cleanliness, check. Delicious, check.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change.
Affordable, check. Accommodating staffs, check. And I rated the restaurant 8/10 stars. Ayan po. And then tapos na po kaming kumain. And then bumalik na po kami sa aming tutuluyan. Ayan po. And then the next day, we are going to Rovaniemi, Lapland, Finland. Ayan po. See you next time po sa aking travel. That's all. Thanks for watching. Cheers!